home,
gida,
house,
gida,
apartment,
gidan haya,
room,
ɗaki,
bedroom,
ɗakin kwana,
living room,
falo,
bathroom,
banɗaki,
hallway,
korido,
balcony,
baranda,
garden,
lambu,
backyard,
bayan gida,
door,
ƙofa,
window,
taga,
floor,
ƙasa,
ceiling,
rufi,
wall,
bango,
stairs,
matakala,
roof,
rufi,
garage,
garaji,
parking,
wurin ajiye mota,
fence,
shinge,
gate,
ƙofa,
table,
tebur,
chair,
kujera,
sofa,
sofa,
bed,
gado,
closet,
cupboard,
shelf,
shiryayye,
desk,
teburin aiki,
armchair,
kujerar hannu,
mirror,
madubi,
lamp,
fitila,